This is why you need nature. Let's dive into some fun brain teasers with a natural twist. All right, let's kick off with our first riddle. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with wind. What am I? Got it? It's an echo. Next one. I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? Think you know? Oh. It's a candle. Here's a tricky one. I have branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. What am I? Stumped? It's a bank. On to the fourth. The more of this there is, the less you see. What am I? Any guesses? It's darkness, I thought. And finally, the grand stumper. That's why. I can be cracked, made, told, and played. What am I? Ready for the answer? It's a joke. How many did you get right? Drop your answers in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more brain teasers.